Students, welcome back in my YouTube channel. This is your computer teacher Priyanka Rai. Hope you all are doing great and you are fit and fine at your home. Let's start today's video, but before it you have to like the video and subscribe my channel to get the notification about new videos. Student, please study well. If you are having any problem, you can write in the comment box about your queries. I will reply shortly. Student, in this tutorial, we are going to discuss some applications of artificial intelligence. This video is for the revision purpose, as you know that your semester exam is coming. So let's start. Application of artificial intelligence. Student, artificial intelligence is very useful in different sector. Okay, so one by one we will discuss some sectors where the application of AI is very important. Like the first sector is banking. Student, AI can help in systematic and control growth of business with accurate business solution. Some key terms are there which we use in the banking sector like robotics, computer vision, language processing. Virtual agents are there which can work 24/7 and can solve the queries of the customer. Machine learning, deep learning is there through which it is helpful to understand the customer demand, and a bank can also work in a systematic way. Another sector is entertainment. Student, in entertainment, AI is playing very important role, like in implementation of 3D games, VR box, virtual reality boxes are there. In movies like Terminator, iRobot, many more are there in which artificial intelligence we are using nowadays. Okay. Transportation. Student, in transportation also we are using AI based device like autonomous cars are there, driverless cars are there, remote control vehicles, sensor cars are there. Okay, in which the system is there which collect the data and the vehicle radar, camera, GPS, cloud service to protect and control the signal. Okay, that can operate the vehicle. Tesla company is there which is introducing the self-driving cars and etc. Another one is education and training. Student, in education and training also AI is playing very important role. Okay, personalized learning is possible, online learning possible, analysis of student is also possible due to artificial intelligence. Okay, benefits for students are there through virtual learning like education at any time, education platform adapt according to the student need, and student virtual mentors are there which are available anytime, and according to that student can also ask queries. Okay, and it is very beneficial for the students. Another one is healthcare. Student, in healthcare sector also it is playing a very important role. Okay, from the we can say that from disease protection, diagnosis and robotic surgery, AI has mm, already been helping doctors and researchers. Also AI playing in drug research and their developments. Okay. Student, in COVID-19 research also the AI is playing very important role. Like we can say that in COVID-19 research it is easy to find the patient with the help of artificial intelligence. Machine learning helping in identify high risk patient and also being used to develop the medicine solution for COVID-19 virus. Okay, so development of medicine is also possible with the help of artificial intelligence. Student, in robotic sector also it is playing very important role. Okay, like you can see this diagram. The first one is international humanoid Sophia. Sophia is a social humanoid robot developed by Hong Kong based company Hanson Robotics. Okay, it is a full-fledged robot. And national humanoid Vyomitra, it is developed for the Gaganyaan mission. So Vyomitra is a female looking space-faring humanoid robot being developed by ISRO. Okay, it is developed in Bangalore, India. So I hope student you understand the different applications of AI in different sector. So go through it, watch the previous videos also. Okay, it is very helpful. Practice a lot. Any problem you are facing, you can ask in Webex class, or you can write comment in my YouTube comment box also. I will reply shortly. Till then, take care. Goodbye.